for 2009, they will be suffering from a reduction by the simple force of inflation. That means that they will be maybe about 10%, 11% less effective without the same level of MOE in real terms for 2010 compared to 2009. And that is why I think this is a matter that does not refer to any party line. We want the Ombudsman to be effective, but with a reduced, in real terms, MOE budget, we might have a less effective Office of the Ombudsman in 2010. Mr. Chairman.
I believe the observation of Congressman Margolis is well taken. Let the Committee on Appropriation note that special concern of Congressman Margolis.
Thank you very much. Now, on this representation would also want to be clarified on mediation. I remember in the previous reports of the Office of the Ombudsman, from my own experience, we rarely hear the term mediation. Now, the Ombudsman talked of mediation and mentioned several cases resolved by mediation. May we be clarified and educated on this, Mr. Chairman, and what is the purpose of mediation over the regular filing of a criminal case?
Yes, Madam Ombudsman.
Mr. Chairman, may I ask Director Hipolito here to explain the project mediation in the Office of the Ombudsman?
Please do.
Thank you for the question, Your Honors. Good morning. I think the mediation, the establishment of a mediation system in the Office of the Ombudsman is really the project that the Honorable Ombudsman initiated when she was still at the Department of Justice. And we have a very limited scope of mediatable cases, and these do not involve serious corruption cases. So it's actually to declug our docket system so that we can better able and faithfully fulfill our mandate to concentrate on high-profile cases and those involving serious offenses of graft and corruption.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. But the problem there, as I see it, is that it may look small compared to, let's say, the more prominent cases that we read in the papers. But to the complainant, it may be big. Because smallness or bigness, Mr. Chairman, is relative. 10,000 to a man of means may be nothing. But 1,000 to somebody earning 250 a day is quite substantial, Mr. Chairman. And a mediation process may not be satisfactory to the complainant if that is the approach, seeking justice. But of course, I can understand the desire to unclog the dockets. But mediation, I normally hear the word mediation in barangay lupons, Mr. Chairman, but not in ombudsman cases.
Any comment from the Ombudsman?
Yes, sir. Thank you for the opportunity to clarify on the process, Your Honors. The mediation process that we observe at the Office of the Ombudsman is fully in accordance with the Alternative Dispute Resolution Law. And this is actually initiated through a conference. And the decision to mediate solely lies on the consensual agreement of both parties. And usually, when complainants file the complaint, they really push for the most serious offense because they are begrudged emotionally. And when we provide a mediation conference, this is where issues concerning the dispute involved are clarified. And we're happy to report to this honorable committee that we have an 80% successful mediation rate. And I think with this revolutionary way of looking at public assistance, we receive letters of commendation and appreciation from parties because they are satisfied because we provide them with a more responsive public assistance in the process. Instead of the Office of the Ombudsman doing the routinary referral to the agency involved, we call them in the office, and requesters for public assistance feel that they are attended to more speedily and promptly and responsibly, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. And finally, Mr. Chairman, I'm just wondering about this inquest allowance. How much is this? I wonder why the PAO, which is not even a prosecutorial body, has this, the DOJ has this, but not the Office of the Ombudsman. Because the PAO is there for defense purposes, but inquest is more of prosecution purposes. And since the Ombudsman and the DOJ prosecutors are almost in the same field, I think what the DOJ deserves, the Ombudsman should also deserve.
Thank you again for the observation.
But I just wonder how much is that?
About 20.3 million pesos.
I mean, per, what is the, for the individual receiving the inquest allowance, is that for daily appearance or a one-time daily amount, 1,000, 2,000, just like a lawyer would receive an appearance fee?
Mr. Chairman, 3,000 pesos a month.
10,000 pesos
Three.
at 3.
3,000 irrespective of the number of inquests being
Yes,
conducted.
Your Honor.
So one inquest can you can get 3,000. 10 inquests also 3,000.
Yes, because it's monthly, Your Honor.
I thought the lawyers are paid by the hour.
Not in the Office of the Ombudsman, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.
very much, Madam Ombudsman.
Thank you, Congressman Gomez.
Mr. Chair, may I make a follow-up? There's a good point there in Congressman Cole's point. I hope it should be left out. In the matter of mediation,
Yes.
Madam Ombudsman, especially in serious criminal cases, in undertaking mediation, is it not against public policy to do that because we cannot compromise criminal cases? That is a serious public policy question.
Yes, Your Honor.